So lately I've been wanting to eat a little healthier, but I am used to just making the same old thing, and I wasn't sure where to start. Then one of my good friends, who's been vegan for the past few years, got me interested in experimenting with plant-based meals. Now, I have no plans to quit meat, cold turkey, but I've been trying to cut down on animal products, eat cleaner, and just shake things up in the kitchen. So that's where Purple Carrot comes in. My friend actually swears by this service. She's a busy professional who doesn't have time to figure out new recipes every night. I thought, so that's how she's been doing it. Maybe even I can do this and make this work. So today I'm taking you through what Purple Carrot is all about. I've been using their meal kits for the past few weeks, and I'll give you the ins and outs on what I liked, what I think could be improved, and how much you can expect to spend with them. So by the end of this video, you will have a better idea of whether Purple Carrot could work for you. Now, let's get into it. All right, so plant-based meals are definitely having a moment right now, and with good reason. Going plant-based often means adding more nutrients, fiber, and antioxidants to your diet, which makes your body feel pretty amazing. Plus, it's a simple way to reduce your carbon footprint. Eating more greens and less meat can help cut down greenhouse gases. And how can we forget less cute little animals ending up on your plate? But let's not ignore some of the trade-offs. Going fully plant-based certainly isn't for everyone. For starters, it takes some planning. You can't just casually grab a burger on your lunch break. Some people will find it hard to get enough protein or certain vitamins like B12, which are mainly found in animal products. And honestly, plant-based alternatives can get pricey. So yes, plant-based eating comes with its benefits and its challenges, but if you find a balance that works for you, it's totally worth exploring, even if it's just for a couple nights a week. And Purple Carrot removes a lot of the complexity. Now, if you've never heard of Purple Carrot, it's a meal delivery service that's 100% vegan. You can get chef-designed meal kits or even pre-made meals delivered to your door, all plant-based and ready to go. It's great for people like myself who are just getting into plant-based diets but don't want to eat the same boring salad every day. Now, my favorite thing about it is there's no guessing. You don't have to figure out what's for dinner or wonder if you're getting enough protein. These meals, they're always balanced and super creative. Plus, it just cuts out so much of the hassle. I enjoy cooking, but I don't always want to spend hours chopping vegetables. Having everything pre-measured and portioned out really does make a difference. Now, Purple Carrot's system is simple. You just pick out your meals from their weekly menu. They ship everything to you pre-measured and portioned, and then you cook or just heat if you select the pre-made meals. Now, if you're always on the go and have a packed schedule, then you might prefer the pre-made options, but I went for the meal kits because I want to feel like I did a little something when I sit down to eat. Plus, they really keep the meals interesting with recipes like smoky portobello tacos and West African peanut stew. Honestly, it's a good mix of convenience and still being able to say, yeah, I made this. So if you want to experience that satisfaction of creating something delicious without the stress, Purple Carrot really delivers. And the instructions are easy to follow, which is a huge plus. I've tried other meal kits in the past, and I felt like I needed a culinary degree to decipher the steps. Purple Carrot keeps it simple, which for me is very important. And the instructions are easy to follow, which is a huge plus. I've tried other meal kits in the past where I felt like I needed a culinary degree to decipher the steps. Purple Carrot keeps it simple, which makes it accessible even if you're not super confident in the kitchen. Now, like I mentioned, I've tried a bunch of different meal kit services, and a lot of them can start to feel very repetitive. But Purple Carrot has a totally different vibe, and I was pleasantly surprised by how flavorful the meals actually are. Like, I made this General Tso's tofu the other day, and let me tell you, it was legit. Even my non-vegan roommate was impressed. On top of that, exploring so many new recipes really got me out of my comfort zone and introduced me to ingredients I never even heard of before. I mean, when's the last time you cooked, and I'm probably gonna butcher the name, with freca or romesco sauce? It's nice to feel like you're learning a little something new with every dish. And if you're already curious and want to try these recipes for yourself, then you can get started with Purple Carrot by using the affiliate link in the description below. It won't cost you anything extra, and you'll get our discount, which you won't find on their website. Plus, it's a great way to explore more plant-based options without the hassle of planning it all yourself. Now, even if you're not a diehard vegan, don't let the whole plant-based thing scare you off. You might think it limits you, but Purple Carrot's menu changes every week, which is great because there's always new, diverse, and delicious options available, like lemon garlic orzo, portobello fajitas, and spicy almond noodles. And while they've got great dinner options like creamy peanut noodles or cauliflower steaks with chimichurri, you can enjoy dishes from Purple Carrot any time of the day with breakfast options like their matcha chia parfaits. And for those in between meal periods, they even have snacks. I will say though, first off, who doesn't love snacks? But I will say, if you're a picky eater cooking for a family, it might feel a bit more challenging to find things that can work for the whole household, especially if only one of you is keen on going plant-based. For me though, I've loved Purple Carrot's creative dishes, and I'm only cooking for myself, so it's been great. One thing that stands out to me is how they balance familiar comfort foods with more adventurous dishes. One night I could be making a hearty pasta dish, and the next I'm whipping up something like kimchi fried rice. It keeps things fresh and exciting, and I've never really feel like I'm eating the same thing over and over. All right, now let's get into pricing. Purple Carrot isn't cheap, but it's not crazy expensive either. Their meal kits run around $11 to $13 per serving, and the pre-made meals are $13 each. But if you want to add on like breakfast, those are usually under $5. Sure, it's not as cheap as ramen, but you're paying for quality and convenience since it can be tough to track down all the plant-based ingredients you need to make something tasty. And everything is fresh, organic, and perfectly portioned. Plus, they often have discounts for new customers, so be on the lookout for those. When I think about the time saved and the creativity of the meals, the value is definitely there. Another thing to consider is how much money you're saving on groceries you'd otherwise buy and then maybe not even use. I think we've all been guilty of buying a bunch of produce with good intentions, only to watch it wilt away in the fridge. But with Purple Carrot, I use everything they send me, so there's no waste, and that's a big win for both my wallet and the planet. So there are definitely a lot of things that worked for me with Purple Carrot. First off, it's no secret, I really like the recipes. They're creative but not overly complicated. I can actually pronounce most of the ingredients, which is always a plus, and that makes it approachable even for an amateur like me. The convenience factor was also a huge win. Everything's pre-measured and pre-portioned, so there's no wasted food or extra trips to the store. And then, of course, there's the quality. The produce is fresh, the flavors are vibrant, and there wasn't a single sad iceberg lettuce in sight. Everything felt thoughtfully curated, and it made me look forward to cooking again. And what's also very cool is that Purple Carrot uses mostly eco-friendly packaging, so it's great if you're trying to reduce your carbon footprint. I'm all for eating healthier, but knowing that the packaging isn't going to clog up a landfill makes me feel even better about getting my meals from them. Then there's the creativity factor. I think one of the reasons I fell into a cooking rut before was because I just didn't know how to make vegetables interesting. Purple Carrot has changed that. I mean, who knew that roasting chickpeas with some paprika could elevate a salad to a whole new level? It's those little tricks that I've picked up along the way that made me feel like I'm actually improving as a cook. But as much as I've been enjoying Purple Carrot so far, admittedly, there are a few areas where they could step it up. First off, it's a little pricey to do for an everyday thing. Personally, I'd use it a few times a week, but probably not every single day. Another issue is the limited flexibility. If you're super picky or have dietary restrictions on top of being vegan, the menu might feel a little small for you. Finally, prep time can be an issue. Even though the recipes are genuinely straightforward, some of them take longer than I'd like on a busy night. And when you just want something super quick and easy, not all of the dishes can hit the mark. I remember one night when I was trying to make I think it was the West African peanut stew, and I underestimated how much time I need to get everything prepped. I was hungry, tired, and I just wanted dinner on the table. It's moments like those where I wish they had more options for really quick meals, something you can put together in under 15 minutes when you're running on fumes. So, who might Purple Carrot be a good fit for? Well, if you're vegan or just plant curious, I think it's definitely worth checking out. And it's a great option for busy professionals. The pre-made meals are really handy if you're always on the move and don't have time to plan and prep. You don't have to think about what's for dinner. And honestly, that's a big relief after a long day. Plus, if you're a foodie, you'll appreciate the creativity of the recipes and the new flavors they introduce to you. It's like a little adventure every time you open the box. I also think it's a great choice for anyone who wants to dip their toes into a plant-based diet without just making a total commitment. You don't have to be a full-blown vegan to enjoy these meals. So even if you just want to incorporate a couple of the meatless dinners into your week, Purple Carrot makes it easy and approachable. Now, for me, Purple Carrot has really upgraded my time in the kitchen. It's made plant-based eating, well, easy, fun, and genuinely delicious. I'm cooking more, eating better, and even my other friends are starting to jump on the plant-based bandwagon. Is Purple Carrot perfect? No, but I think it's a really great option if you're looking for a meal service that's fresh, flavorful, and completely plant-based. It takes away the guesswork and makes eating healthier simple and hassle-free. So if you're ready to level up your dinner game, you can get started with Purple Carrot by using the link in the description below at no extra cost. Like I mentioned, you'll get our discount, which isn't available on their website, so go check it out. It could be just the thing to make your plant-based journey easier and tastier. And that's all for today's video. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, then be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to see more videos just like this. Now, as always, I enjoy hearing your thoughts, so go ahead and leave any questions or comments down below, and I'll try and get back to them as fast as I can. Finally, guys, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.